Wyatt. What's going on, Wyatt? You got a ball for me? Okay, let's get the ball. You ready? Okay, I want you to stay, alright? Stay. Now throw the ball. You want to stay, okay? Stay. Lay down. Lay down. Wyatt. Lay down. Good boy. Do you want your ball? Yeah? Okay, go get it. Good boy. Well, thank you. What a good boy. Stay. Stay. So we can show where it's at. Maybe you guys can see it. Maybe you can't. Okay, go get it. What a good boy, huh? Aww. Are you a good performer? You want me to take that ball, huh? Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.